Because steel is such a big part of how the world works, it's got a big part to play in our future. And like all materials, it will evolve to satisfy our desires and our needs. This requires new understandings of the internal crystal structures of steel and new processes to be developed. For instance, early in 2015, some Korean scientists discovered a new steel alloy with 10% aluminium, which promises to make cars much lighter and more fuel efficient. 3D printing is a revolutionary new process that allows objects to be designed on a computer but then printed out in one piece. This is an example of a piece of steel that has been printed out. And there are no joins, but you can see the immense detail. The intricacy here is really astounding. This is going to change the world, there's no doubt about that. And one of the things it allows is a future whereby if you need a replacement part for a machine anywhere in the world, you can just press print and out it will come. And because you get complexity for free with this process, it allows designers, engineers, architects, jewelers, surgeons design freedom to be much more creative. But of course, however exotic steels get, we will still need to understand the basis of their complexity. And that's what this course has been all about. In the first part of this course, we explored why the ages of civilization are named after materials, and how it is that steel is the perfect material for tools because it's as hard as rock and as tough as plastic. We saw that steel is made of crystals of iron and carbon, and that these crystals are very special because inside them they have mechanisms called dislocations, and it's those dislocations that allow the steel to bend. They give the crystals plasticity. In the second part of this course, we saw that heat and mechanical processing of steel can radically change its properties, and that provides an inexpensive way to make it in vast quantities. And it's access to this inexpensive but very high quality steel that's allowed us to build the world around us, the trains, the cars, the cities, the infrastructure and so on. I hope you've enjoyed this course and feel you've been properly introduced to steel. Goodbye.